Some big time moves for XRP, some of which have already been made and some of which are yet to come. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the price predictions that are very close to happening, as well as some that could play out through the remainder of 2025. I'm going to tell you what one technical analyst had to say about what XRP did from 2014 to 2017 and how it relates to what's going on today. This information is very time critical, as XRP just completed something similar to what it did in 2018, so we're going to talk about what could possibly happen, as well as other things that are in the news for XRP, for Ripple, for Cardano, and the rest of this crypto market. Hey everyone, my name is Randy. Welcome back to the Late Night Grind, and right now on this channel we are covering cryptocurrency news, investment markets, and personal finance. So if any or all those topics interest you, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the Late Night Grind community, and if you want to support the channel, best thing you can do is hit that like button and watch this video all the way to the end. If you do that, I'd greatly appreciate it. Alright guys, let's jump into it. So as XRP is making moves, as Bitcoin is back heading towards what looks like about $100,000 to $102,000 as it retraces near a critical level, I wanted to discuss what XRP is doing and what some of the altcoins are doing. But before I do that, I wanted to discuss a little bit about some news about RLUSD, which is Ripple's stablecoin. Now, about a month ago, Ripple launched their new stablecoin and it essentially took off. Now, it's only listed on one exchange right now. However, there are many others in the works. From what I have read and reports I've read, that stablecoin is in the process of getting added to other exchanges, most likely going to be used and incorporated onto different blockchains. Now, the first one that I should say is news regarding Cardano. Now, Charles Hoskinson, who is the creator of Cardano, recently has said that he is in talks with Ripple in regards to adding RLUSD to the Cardano blockchain, to their ecosystem. From the reports I've read, from the comments that I've read around social media, is that in general this is a very positive thing, not only for Cardano but also for Ripple. This is going to give Ripple some more visibility into the stablecoin market for RLUSD, which is essentially what they want, and it's also going to give Cardano some more stability, as right now there's only two other stablecoins on their ecosystem and they're not very widely known. Ripple being a much bigger system and being in the news, being in the financial sector news as well as the SEC news, everybody knows, a lot more people, a lot more investors and cryptocurrency enthusiasts know about RLUSD than the others. Charles Hoskinson knows this as well, and adding this to his ecosystem will make things like will attract things like more developers, more DeFi applications, which is what Cardano is continually trying to build on. Now, that news was overall bullish for Cardano, for XRP, but it's tough to know if the prices for Cardano XRP would have just continued to go up anyway, because altcoins, along with this Bitcoin bull run, were causing everybody's prices to rise. Now, before I get into what XRP could be doing very shortly along with the rest of 2025, I did want to make it known that if you are a trader, click on the link below. There's a link in the description to Bydfi, which is the partner of this channel, the Late Night Grind. It's where I do all of my cryptocurrency trading. You can do leverage trading, up to 200x leverage trading for Bitcoin. However, if you're not familiar with leverage trading, please don't do it until you are familiar with leverage trading. Now, there's a couple of things that if you've been there before or you've been on other exchanges that I really wanted to point out. There's some big news with Bydfi. Number one, they just added copy trading to their portfolio of products. But if you log in on your mobile device, you can click on copy trading. There you can find active traders and copy the most successful ones and let them do the trading, and you simply get the rewards. And this was just added just the other week, so it's going to continue to grow. The number of traders, the number of copy traders that you can go copy is going to continue to grow as well. But you can go ahead and check it out. The other thing is that if you'd like to do your own trading and find some of your own trades, your own technical analysis in order to do a trade, well, I got some great news for you. Right now, the Late Night Grind is partnering with Bydfi in creating a signal folder on Telegram. That's right, if you're a part of Telegram, if you use Telegram, if you're a Bydfi user and you follow this channel, we have created a channel in which Bydfi will deliver trade signals to that specific group. Now, these can be swing trades, these can be some scalp trades. They also send market analysis from time to time. And from the trades that I've made so far, I've been successful on nearly all of them. They've hit take profit 1 and take profit 2 numbers on some of them. So it's definitely something that has some big promise. but these shouldn't be taken as absolute buy and sell signals. It should just be taken as another piece of information that you should look into for making some trades. And before I continue with the rest of this video, I do want to mention that none of this is financial advice. Don't buy or sell anything because I say it. I'm simply telling you the things that I'm involved in. So please do your own research and your own due diligence. Okay, so now let's talk about XRP to $100 because this really caught my eye. And I've seen some big numbers for XRP over the years, some predictions based on this, that, and the other thing, that they're going to take over all the market share from SWIFT, that they're going to be finally regulated in the United States, and they're going to take over all of the banking transactions all over the world, and that's what's going to skyrocket the price. Well, how about if I told you that almost none of that might not be necessary for the price to skyrocket? Well, it's called speculation. However, if even a portion of that were to happen, that would also solidify a big price movement for XRP. But I wanted to talk about why this prediction of an XRP being over $100 could be coming into fruition. Now, there was a trader. He is a popular technical analyst. His name is Gert Van Lagen, and he has pointed out to a technical indicator looking back all the way from when XRP was first created. After it had its initial bull run in 2013, XRP jumped up to a price of about 2.2 cents. Now, after that, from about 2013, 2014, all the way up to the 2017 Bitcoin bull run, it performed what was known as a double bottom. It came up, hit a point of resistance, came back down, hit that double bottom, and came up yet again in the 2017 bull run. It hit that all-time high and did a full retrace back to a resistance level that it had hit almost 2 years earlier. So what does that mean for what XRP is doing today? Well, from 2018, essentially, all the way up until right now, XRP has completed almost an exact match similar pattern. That is a double bottom after it had reached a new all-time high, came down, marked a bottom, went up, matched a new point of resistance, came down and double bottomed again, and then came up and almost matched new all-time highs that it did a few weeks ago. Now, what did it do that could trigger a massive run from here on out for the rest of 2025? Well, back in 2017, after it had broken through new all-time highs, what did it do? It came back and retraced to that point of resistance. After that, it was a springboard that launched it from 2.2 cents to $3.84. Now, XRP right now is nearing all-time highs. Now, it broke through a point of resistance and did a full retrace from what? Well, about $2.90, and did a full retrace to that point of resistance, which was right around $2. It is now climbing. It is up, as I'm making this video, about $2.65. It could be up only season for XRP from here on out. Now, it could just be climbing because Bitcoin is doing the same thing. In fact, Bitcoin just did a double bottom off of its own local low value area point of control. Now, you don't have to worry about all of those numbers. You can see them on the charts if you do your own chart reading, if you watch some of the other technical analysts that I do. But right now is probably one of the most critical times to look at XRP, if ever, in the past 8 years. Now, what would happen if that pattern played out like it did in 2017, where it went from 2.2 cents to $3.84? Well, according to those charts, that would put XRP at roughly $120 per XRP, roughly Q3 or towards the end of 2025, which is what some are speculating this bull run could go all the way to, especially if you're watching the M2 global money supply, which has been retracing and is expected to expand. The stock market, the money supply globally is expected to expand continually into 2025. Some think it could happen in the second quarter. Some think it could happen at the end of the third quarter as to when everything simply peaks. But it's something to keep an eye on. Make sure you're following the Late Night Grind YouTube channel. Also follow me on X. All the links are in the description below, including the link to Bydfi. Good luck on the trading. Let me know in the comment section below what you think some of the initial price expectations are for this year for XRP, for Cardano, for Bitcoin, because I got a lot more information upcoming with new videos coming much more frequently. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end, for smashing that thumbs up button. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.
Crypto kings rise, XRP on a mission. Future of finance, got that tunnel vision. Bitcoin paved the way, now we all stacking digits. Blockchain supremacy, rewriting them tickets. Ripple through the waves, currency evolution. Decentralized dreams, no more institution. Lambo dreams fueled by them crypto stacks. Future in our hands, we ain't looking back. XRP to the moon, watch them rise and shine. Blockchain revolution, now it's our time. Digital renaissance, we breaking all the chains. Crypto cosmos calling, no more limits, no restraints. Hodl gang strong, through the market storm. Crypto winners past, now we're staying warm. Infinite potential, it's a brand new norm. Blockchain foundation, watch the world transform. In the shadows we emerge, now we taking flight. XRP warriors ready for the fight. Digital dynasties, the future looking bright. Crypto revolution, stars aligning tonight. From miners to moguls, we changing the tide. Every transaction a stepping worldwide. Global currency, breaking iron bonds. Cryptography symphony, check the daily signs.